Welcome back. Please ignore what's going on up here. Okay, so I'm making a rash decision because I'm realizing that I'm making chronological order hinder me, and I have so much stuff on my phone that I need to get rid of. So today is Saturday, May 16th. I am in a space that I rented to host a workshop, and obviously no one's here, so I'm using the space for creative content. Also, moving forward, I'm going to be posting videos. Like, the caption might not exist. I need to get it off my phone. I need to get the content off my phone, and I can whistle and ride. So anyways, this is going to be the first video, and then everything that comes after this is going to be whatever. Some of them are gonna be old, some are gonna be in the drafts on YouTube already, but oh no, I probably shouldn't do this. They just cleaned the floors in here. Anyways, I got these cute little horseshoe molds. Isn't that adorable? And I was like, you know what? I want to try something. So I did 3 of them because they came in 3 different sizes, and I wanted to see how they come out. So that's the first one I unmolded. That's the medium. And then this cute little baby one is the small. I'm gonna have to clean these up. Look at it. So adorable. I was trying to like use something to make the hole in the middle, but it kept falling over, so I'm gonna end up drilling it after. This one, not sure what I want to do with it. Might actually, I could probably drill a hole in it too, but I obviously need to clean up the edges on all of these because I did these while at a market. But yeah, so those, actually I think all of these I did while at a market. I know this one I definitely did at a market. Listen, I've been using these spaces because I paid to vend for most of the places that I vend. There's only one place I vend that I don't pay to vend. Ow. Oh, that's gonna bleed. And it's a 3-hour stint, so I don't bother myself with trying to vend there, and it's at night, so I'm not trying to like do that at night and then have to drive home. It's like short, so yeah. Ooh, okay, there's that. We got some brown and pink with a little gold on the bottom there. I like. I was kind of hoping it was more clear, but I didn't pour a lot, and then also I was like running out of time because people started coming to the table and all types of stuff. So ooh, okay, yes. I did gold flakes on this for the clitoris and for the entrance to the vulva. Yeah, I like this. Okay, period. All right, oh, I got another one. Oh, this one was just the flakes on the, yeah, yes, I'm here for that. Because at the end of the day, you know, we need to highlight the areas of importance. Okay, so we got 2 chocolate brown. Well, this one's more just plain brown, and this is like a darker brown. Yeah. And then we got 2 bracelets. I have a bunch of bracelets on the table that I need to work through getting smooth, because I know it's a spillage that makes it rough on the edge, like this here. You see, it's like, it's lighting. I should have put a light on when I started recording, but whatever. But yeah, like, I like this though. It's like a brown, a bluish, like it turns in the light, you can kind of see different hints of color. I like this. I got some glitter in there. But yeah, so the edges are like rough at the top, so I need to smooth them out either with resin or sandpaper. This is another bracelet. This one has gold flakes in it, which I've learned gold flakes on the edge, whoo, not nice on the fingers. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is gonna assault me. Can we finish this in 5 minutes? Let's hope so, without losing. Oh, that's pretty. That's so pretty. Okay, oh, that's gorgeous. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, we don't want to tear it. Okay, this is Gorgina. Look, that's so pretty. Okay, I want to make more of these. This is so gorgeous. I need to control the spillage, like with my boobs. But oh my geez, I am obsessed. This looks so pretty. Yeah, I'm obsessed. Okay, so we got 2 bracelets, 2 vagines, a trinket dish, and 3 little horseshoes. So yeah, dropping this today, right now, possibly. What time is it? 3:07. Yeah, whenever this gets posted is when it's getting dropped. But yeah, you might see a video a day after this. I'm not gonna sit here and commit and say I'm doing, you know, but just so y'all know, when y'all see like videos going back and forth, or if it's not consistent with previous things, just refer to this video. Anyways, thank you. Oh, I'm at 6 minutes, whatever. Anyways, make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. Tell your friends and tell a friend to tell a friend to come pour with me. Like, you can make your very own items. Like, if you think this is gorgeous, you've never worked with resin before, and you're like, oh my god, how do I do that? Come pour with me. I'm trying to get consistent and do like a weekly class, but I need to work out venue prices and things of that nature, or make my prices higher. I don't know. I don't know. But one way, some way, somehow, it's going to work out. So I keep going porque I believe wholeheartedly that it will work out. So yeah, subscribe to All Things Pointless. Check out the podcast. There's 100+ episodes. If you listen to all of them, thank you so much. More is coming sooner than later, or eventually. And just like everything else we do here at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.